come out here to work on the truck. I got a hummingbird buzzing around all in here. No free rent in Grease Monkey Garage. I'm gonna let you guys know that right now. We evicted him. So, ready to start taking this thing apart. I got all that stuff that was in the bed of the truck cleaned out and sold on Facebook Marketplace. I'm keeping that for a core in case we run into issues buying a transmission. So, anyway, time to put this thing up on jack stands and probably start breaking a bunch of bolts, to be honest with you. I sprayed everything down with the liquid wrench 2 days ago now, so that kind of helps to give it some time to soak, but these old bolts are still going to break a lot. Hood included, seats out, fuel tank is out. Got everything loaded in the truck. So we get that stuff hauled off, and then I'll work on the bed. It probably needs to go on a separate trip due to the not much space left to haul it. So we got her knocked out. Frame is stripped. That's going to go to sandblaster probably Monday, and then we've got a few more things to remove from the cab. We're going to take off this battery tray and the electronics, the brakes. We'll take the pedal assembly out of there because we're not going to use that anyway. Just strip some general stuff out of the dash while we're waiting on sandblast of the frame. And then it'll be time to, when it comes back, to start cutting on it and installing different suspension. Maybe we'll find a motor, start mocking that up. Lots to do, but that's all for now. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you later.